Welcome to the video. Today I want to introduce SINGCALL product, one mobile receiver with single button pages. Firstly, I want to introduce the mobile receiver APE6900. This is the APE6900. It is the first waterproof blacklist mobile receiver. The waterproof grade is IPX7. You can see on this side. There are two keys, FUN and ENT. Next, let me introduce how to register pages. Firstly, please press the and hold the key ENT to turn on the receiver. Making the mobile receiver on standby mode. Step 1. Press and hold key FUN until F01 appears on the screen. Step 2. Press and hold key FUN until the number 001 appears. Step 3. Press the page you want to register. The receiver vibrates and the number 001 is flashing, and you can see the number 3 appears on the right side of the screen. That means this pager is registered to be number 1 successfully. Step 4. If you want to register next pager, please press the key ENT. The number will become 002. Then press the next pager. Now you can see number 002 is flashing and the number 3 also appears on the right side of the screen. That means this pager's number becomes number 2. Repeat these steps to register all the calling pages you need at the same time. Battery, press and hold FUN until F01 appears on the screen. Then press and hold ENT back to standby mode. Now the registration is finished. Next, I will show how to call pager's number. Because the receiver is waterproof, I put it into the water. Then I can press the pager. Thank you for your watching.